Delhi is now going into a total curfew from tonight till next Monday morning. NDTV now learning at this point that that all-crucial meeting, which was to happen between the Chief Minister and the Lieutenant Governor, in that it has now been decided that the lockdown that started with the weekend will now be extended to the week and it will be at least for these 7 days. Until next Monday morning, a total lockdown in the capital. Sukirti on the phone line with us for more on this. Sukirti, we've been talking about it, discussing it, pretty inevitable with the numbers at the moment.
Well, yes, it is right to frame it that way, that it is inevitable because of the numbers. We have constantly seen Delhi's Chief Minister saying that he has never preferred a lockdown. He has absolute understanding of the fact that a lot of people's livelihoods are at stake when a lockdown comes into force or curfews come into force, and that is why this was never an option he wanted to take. They took other precautions like penalties on not wearing masks and ramping up hospital infrastructure. Yet, because every arrangement in the national capital is crumbling at this point of time, falling short in front of the 24,000 to 25,000 cases that we are seeing each day, coming to an average of 1,000 cases being reported every single hour. So even despite all the ramping up of facilities, there are people still waiting in queues outside hospitals. There are no ventilator beds in Delhi, no ICU beds in Delhi. And keeping all of these factors in mind, this new decision has come in from the Delhi government that until next Monday morning, this curfew will have to be in place. And this is something even if you look at prominent doctors of Delhi, the chairman of Sir Gangaram Hospital, Dr. D.S. Rana had also said this yesterday while speaking to the media, that in order to cope up with the patient caseload, our healthcare workers need some sort of respite. They need some time to cope up with the existing patients. Only then we will be in a position to take in new ones.
Right, so Sukirti, stay on with us. For our viewers just tuning in, we've been talking about a situation like this likely to emerge in that meeting between the Delhi Chief Minister and the Lieutenant Governor, and it has now happened. Delhi has now gone into 7 days of complete lockdown. That is total curfew from tonight. That is as of the 19th, Monday midnight till Monday morning. The next Monday is when Delhi will be in complete lockdown. The situation emerging as Delhi has breached the 25,000 a day mark, over 1,000 lives over there at the moment, up by almost 1,000 cases, beg your pardon, in the past, from the previous day, and 161 lives lost in these past 24 hours. So, Sukirti, we are looking at the situation where clearly the focus is to try and contain and ensure that people stay indoors, because somewhere around the line, the bottom line is people were still not understanding the severity of the issue and still venturing out. Too much to take for the medical infrastructure at the moment.
Well, yes, Sonal, if you look at the weekend curfew situation, people did stay indoors because there was a rule, because they knew that if they step out on the road, there would be Delhi policemen that would stop them, that would seek a curfew pass for them, or a reason if there are any essential workers in that vehicle, then they should be allowed. But because only when rules come into place, people follow those rules and they have a fear of the law. But if you look at the weekday situation, you could have gone to any market in Delhi, any of the famous ones, the Fleet Market. You could have gone to Sarojini or Lajpat Nagar, and there one would see these crowds. And even many of the shopkeepers used to say that we do tell our customers to maintain social distancing, to keep their masks on properly at all points of time. Yet many would wear them on their chins, many would wear it below their nose. There was no concern for social distancing. So especially across marketplaces, at a lot of places where people do not necessarily have to be present there, their crowds would gather and cases would continue to rise in Delhi. So at this point of time, the measure has been taken. People will now have to follow the laws in place. You will need a curfew pass if you're out on the road, or you will have to be an essential worker. But for any unnecessary reasons, one cannot be out on the road. Otherwise, they will have to face penalties. During the weekend, there were at least 2,000 people who were issued challans for violations, and similar things will happen if people violate the curfew rules in the upcoming days. So Delhi government at this point of time compelled to take these strict measures because the national capital's health infrastructure crumbling at this point of time.